McDonald's, and I got the McRib. You know the McRib is back, and I had to get it. Okay. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and to share. I have Dr. Pepper to drink. She's back there, and she's super excited about. What you doing? Why you sitting right there? No, you better hope it don't follow her. She's super excited about the McDonald's. You know they got Barbie toys right now, so she's super excited about it.
She got the surfboard.
I would have handed it to you. It was X. Add me a little bit of ketchup. Sometimes I want ketchup on my fries, and sometimes I don't care for it. Today, ketchup. You want burger fry? I just love McDonald's fries. Let's get into this McRib. I hope I got some paper towels. Okay, yeah.
How does this taste?
Cause you know how to skip
It tastes pudding. We're both.
How does it taste, Mommy?
What is it about?
Girl.
Blue.
Hold on.
Blue.
McRibs are delicious, and McRibs been out for a very long time. They always bring them back around in October.
Oh no.
That's cause when you're with your daddy, what would you ask for when you're with your daddy?
Because they never really have something new.
It's in October. It's for like the whole month of October. It's only for a season.
I'll get one on the day of
Her dad took her to McDonald's a lot.
No.
Whenever we meet in Star City, yeah.
Sometimes you don't give me no McDonald's.
Well, sometimes you get wet.
Sometimes we wait until we get close. Not that close to my road, but close to Burger.
Look,
No.
Burger King. Oh, hamburger.
But we stop by these. We don't stop. Sometimes we'll just drive those.
Oh, Sonic.
No. Like
Where?
McDonald's, Taco Bell.
Oh, so y'all go to hamburger and y'all still just stop at the same restaurants?
No.
I think you're talking about Monticello. You can't be talking about hamburger because Monticello one got Taco Bell, Popeyes, you know. So good, but so messy.
Ew. Yucky.
I just keep looking beside me for people hanging out this vehicle beside me, and this girl dancing and stuff and all kinds of crap.
I got the same toys as Monty.
Excuse me.
So whenever we get home, we can play dolls with each other.
What's the middle with the bullets?
She just what?
What?
playing for toy.
Oh, because I want to.
She's asleep.
Oh, it's a good time to feel her teeth. I'm sorry, she got teeth. She's got her first tooth, y'all.
She's moving.
Oh, crap. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Okay. The temperature has really dropped. Well, not too bad. It's like 53 degrees here, but currently it was 80, so it dropped a lot from that. It's cold out there to me.
It's like freezing cold out there.
Wait till the weather drops some more. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna do a grocery haul, but I'm gonna put that on my other channel. So go check out Crazy Mom of Girls and you'll see that grocery haul. I'll get a washing gel. I think it looks pretty curly for my hair.
Mommy, are you paying for straw? That's empty.
Okay. Excuse me. Well,
Whenever I drink it,
we used to have McRib in our school lunches. Yeah, we used to have McRibs for lunch at school. Ooh, I used to love them days. I used to love buying what's it called? Oh, the microwave dinners with the McRib in it. But it was on the bun. You know what, Sadie? You're gonna get something else next time. Maybe a chicken nugget meal or something in that nature. Cause I be forgetting. You older now.
my daddy gets me something else. He asked me what I want.
Well, sorry.
It's okay. You're thinking I'm still little.
A little bit, but at the same time now. Cause she's 10 now.
I got the same bowling money as you. I'm saving.
Why? Did you want a kid's meal for the toy or no?
It doesn't matter.
It does too, Ryder.
I only wanted it for today because we were gonna play dog. But sometimes I'm not. What's wrong?
I think my favorite is them for lunch at school is when they have stromboli. Oh my gosh. Stromboli. Sometimes the pizza. Not everything is so healthy, so when I tell her about the school lunch, she just don't know. You know she gotta be cold. That girl with that one shirt on and no jacket on. That is all.
What? This.
Kind of full.
I'm not.
I'm not the blue. Open.
I don't want the yogurt.
Why you want that?
With the bump.
Yogurt is good for you.
I just don't want to have it right now.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time I do the video, if Sadie's here, we're gonna do it at the house. And she's gonna do the mukbang with me. So that's probably gonna be. I'm gonna try to make that my next mukbang. Not, but me and her gonna do a mukbang together. And so, hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Alright.
And don't forget to check out our TikTok.
I don't know no TikTok name, but you know, I didn't want to mention my TikTok.
I can mention mine.
Yeah, I have a TikTok. But oh, check out my Snapchat. What is it? Sweet Ginger 987. Same thing for my Instagram. So check out that. Okay. Bye.